10 Best Natural Remedies You Need Try for Whooping Cough. 1. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent expectorant that can help treat whooping cough. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that help treat whooping cough. 3. Garlic. Garlic works as a natural antibiotic to fight whooping cough. 4. Honey. Another very effective home remedy is raw honey. 5. Oregano. Oregano is another effective herbal remedy for respiratory infections like whooping cough. 6. Lemon. Lemon can also help treat pertussis naturally. 7. Licorice. Another effective herbal remedy is licorice. 8. Almonds. Both almond nuts and the oil are helpful in curing pertussis. 9. Chamomile. Regular intake of herbal tea like chamomile can also provide relief from the symptoms of whooping cough. 10. Saffron. In Ayurveda, saffron is highly recommended for treating dry coughs and pertussis.